Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to set up DS4 Windows and connect PS4 controller to PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for DS4 Windows. Click the first link, then go to the top right corner and hit the download button. Scroll down, download the setup file, and install it. Once installation is complete, launch the DS4 Windows application. Next, connect your PS4 controller. You can either use a USB to micro USB cable or connect it through Bluetooth. For wired connection, plug the USB end into your computer and the micro USB end into your controller. For Bluetooth, press and hold the Share and PlayStation buttons on the controller until it starts blinking, then pair it through your PC's Bluetooth settings. Once the controller is connected, go back to the DS4 Windows application and press the Start button. If the connection is successful, your controller will be recognized as a virtual Xbox 360 controller. This is because Windows systems natively support Xbox controllers, so DS4 Windows maps your PS4 controller to appear that way, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.